Two major analytics platforms, Qlik Sense and Databox. Which one really delivers in 2025? On the left, Qlik Sense, the powerhouse designed for high-level data exploration. And on the right, Databox, the go-to for fast, stunning dashboards and simple business insights. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to what actually matters. Each category earns points, and by the end, you'll see clearly which solution comes out on top. The result might surprise you. Here's what's on the agenda. So, picture this mind map in your head. We're going category by category. Who they're made for, pricing, how slick the visuals are, integration magic, how easy or brutal they are to use, analytics depth, customer support, and where you can actually deploy these things. Ready? Let's go. So first up, let's talk about who these platforms are actually built for. The target audience. Qlik Sense is honestly like the secret weapon for big enterprises and serious analytics teams. It handles massive, complex deployments, but I'll say, for a smaller business, Qlik might feel a bit much. Like it's powerful, but can be overkill for simple needs. Now, Databox, this one is the darling of SMBs and anyone in sales or marketing who just wants something quick and easy. It's super approachable and setup takes literally minutes. But yeah, if you need enterprise-level tools, you might be left wanting. So, in terms of audience, Qlik scores higher on the enterprise front, but Databox nails it for the everyday teams. Pricing. Oof, you know what? Qlik Sense has that flexible licensing for the big dogs, which is great if you're scaling. But the pricing structure? It's honestly complex, and for small teams, it can get pretty expensive. Meanwhile, Databox keeps it simple. There's even a free tier, and their paid plans are really transparent and straightforward, perfect for non-technical folks or smaller companies. That said, if you want serious upgrades, you'll be talking custom quotes. So for most of us watching, Databox takes the win here. It's all data visualization. Okay, this is the fun part. Qlik Sense, it's got this super cool associative model that lets you pretty much explore your data from every wild angle. And the dashboards are really interactive. But maybe you've already heard, visually speaking, it's not quite as polished as the stuff you see from Tableau or Databox. Now, Databox, this is where it shines. The dashboards are gorgeous, like award-winning gorgeous. And building them is seriously almost too easy. Drag, drop, done. Customization for deep analytics isn't crazy advanced, but for most teams, it's more than enough. For visual wow factor, Databox nabs the top spot. Oh, and here's something cool I found out. Did you know that Qlik's associative engine lets you explore any data path, so you never miss a hidden relationship? That's honestly kind of next level when you're dealing with complex datasets. Let's jump into features and integrations. Qlik is kind of insane here. It's got robust data modeling, a built-in AI engine that'll find hidden insights you didn't even know to look for, and you can hook it up to pretty much every enterprise system imaginable. Downside, it takes some real setup and expertise to get rolling. Databox, though, integrates super smoothly with lots of marketing and cloud platforms, and they offer pre-built templates and automated syncs. But if you want hardcore custom data engineering, yeah, Databox will fall short. All things considered, Qlik packs way more punch if you need raw power and flexibility. Now, about ease of use. This one's tricky. Qlik does offer an intuitive drag and drop for those basic dashboards, but once you get into advanced stuff, the learning curve goes up, no question. Databox, meanwhile, is ridiculously easy. I mean, you can onboard your whole team in an afternoon, and nobody needs to be a tech wizard. It's honestly the kind of platform where you never have to read the manual. Just click and go. So Databox totally slaps in the usability department. Analytics depth. This is where things get pretty nerdy. Qlik Sense uses its associative engine to uncover all these non-linear relationships, and you get advanced stats, AI, predictive features. Basically, if you want to unleash your inner data scientist, Qlik's the one. Downside, of course, it's maybe a bit much if all you want to do is keep an eye on basic KPIs. Databox is awesome for monitoring, keeping tabs on those key metrics. But for really deep analysis, it's just not in the same league. Qlik brings home the win here. Let's talk support. Qlik Sense has a global community that's pretty active, and the documentation is expansive. But, little caveat here, they're more enterprise-centric, so your experience may vary. For Databox, support is super friendly and feels way more personal, especially for SMBs. They're really approachable, though some advanced topics don't get as much love. So I'm calling it a tie. Both good, just in different ways. Final category, deployment flexibility. Qlik Sense is like the Swiss Army knife here. On-premises, cloud, multi-cloud, SaaS, whatever you need, they do it. But heads up, the initial config isn't exactly plug and play. Databox, on the other hand, is all about cloud simplicity. Super easy, but no on-premises option. If you need options and control, Qlik's the winner in this zone. All right, so if you're visual like me, here's a radar chart showing where each platform shines and where they kind of get smoked by the competition. Qlik dominates in analytics depth, features, integrations, and deployment flexibility. No question. Databox absolutely rules in pricing, usability, and visualization. And support? Yeah, both pretty solid, just tailored for different audiences. So, bottom line, if you're in a big, complex team, or you need to wrangle wild amounts of data with advanced analytics, Qlik Sense is hands down your best bet. It's powerful, it's flexible, you get the idea. But if you just want to get stunning dashboards live fast, with easy integrations and zero IT headaches, Databox is the one to beat, especially for SMBs and marketers. So, what do you think? Would your team go for enterprise muscle or easy-peasy simplicity? Honestly, why not try a free trial of both and see which one actually feels right for you?